Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The top awards for EVs and hybrids are out from U.S. News & World Report, and Hyundai's Ioniq 6 was named Best Electric Car, and the carmaker's Ioniq 5 was listed as the Best Electric SUV. Autos editor Alex Quentin.
I have to say that Hyundai has devoted a lot of attention to focusing on what its customers want and also distinctive design. Obviously, our emphasis here is on MPGe and miles per gallon and fuel efficiency and range, but we also factor in all the other attributes that buyers look at in vehicles.
The Lucid Air topped the luxury category, while the Ford F-150 Lightning was named Best Electric Truck. Quentin says Tesla's falling resale value played a role in the judging. For more, visit cars.usnews.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Jscreen deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at Jscreen.com, or just click on the link at Techstination.com.